Hello everyone, I will answer the question what is quality on behalf of Istanbul Open Course, and I will start with the general definitions. If you search the term quality, you mainly see this definition: meeting the customer requirements, or quality is the excellence in the product or service that fulfill the expectations of the customer. So we mainly focus on the expectation of the customer. Plus, quality is not a fine-tuning or rework process at the final stage of the manufacturing. Quality isn't built into the product at every stage. So it's an understanding in every process, not at the final stage. I have also two other definitions for quality, which one is from the American National Standard Institute. Quality is totality of features and characteristics of product that bears on its ability to satisfy given needs. Or according to ISO 9000, quality is the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfills the customer's requirements. Thank you very much.